I'm Training here with my sisters, Rizzy and Cara. Hello! And today we're going to be teaching you how to make your very own xylophone at home with water glasses. All you need is water, glasses, and a spoon to play with. So, let's see this glass. And I fill this with a whole lot of water. That's beautiful. And now for this glass. Did you notice the different sound? Because I did. Now let's try this glass. These two glasses, I added a little bit of water. Let's see if it's true. I know it, and it's beautiful. And I think our xylophone's ready to make music. Can I try? Sure. Come on, Cara, join in. A 5, 6, 7. This is a fun xylophone, and it's easy to make. That was fun, and I hope you try it too at home. Why don't you grab some glasses and fill them up with water and then use your spoon to make music. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Victoria's Kids TV. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye-bye.